We are bringing back Jordan Light with Home Savings and Trust Mortgage to talk about VA loans. We are already in the spring market. Things are moving quick, and we have a lot of military clients that have been taking advantage of the VA loan. So I wanted to talk about the top 5 things to know about a VA loan, and I'll pass it on to Jordan.
Awesome, thanks for having me back, Courtney. So we just wanted to touch on a few things that are helpful for veterans who can take advantage of the VA home loan benefits. The first being, who is considered a veteran in terms of VA home loans? That is anyone that has served 181 consecutive days, not including schooling or education or training. It could also be someone that has served 6 years in the Reserve or the National Guard.
That's what we did. We've used the VA loan twice, thanks to Philip Brown's service, so.
Yeah. No, it's definitely awesome, and that takes me to my second point as you don't have to put any money down up to $726,000, which is awesome for people, the military community, that you don't have to put any money down to purchase a home. You can actually even go up to $1.5 million as a sales price, but you have to put down a little bit of a down payment for that. So it's definitely a great program to take advantage of.
I think most people do take advantage of the zero down, at least like for their first time purchasing.
Yeah, absolutely.
And
another thing with VA loans is they're actually easier to qualify than most other loan programs. So it's a little more flexible in terms of credit as well as debt to income, as in terms of your income guidelines. So it actually helps more veterans qualify to purchase a home because they have more flexible guidelines that way.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The fourth point is you can use your VA home loan benefits more than one time. So most people think you can only have one chance at using your VA loan benefits. That is actually not true. You can use your benefits multiple times on different purchases as you move through your life.
And that's what we did, but if you're gonna do it the second time, don't you have a fee, or did you wanna talk about that?
Yeah, so there is a funding fee associated with purchasing them if you're using a VA loan. If you receive 10% or more disability from the VA, you're actually waived of that funding fee.
Oh, awesome.
So we see a lot of veterans that don't have to pay the funding fee due to that. But if you do have a funding fee, it increases a little bit on your second term using the VA loan benefits.
Okay.
But it's really honestly not that bad. It can be added to your loan amount so you're not paying monthly mortgage insurance or bringing that money to closing.
Okay, you can always provide them a breakdown for that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the fifth point we want to touch on is you can actually have 2 VA loans at the exact same time.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so I've had someone that owned a $200,000 home in Mississippi. They were transferred into the Washington, D.C. area, and they were able to purchase a $500,000 home with no money down. So it's definitely something that can happen, and we can take a look at to see if you can qualify, carrying both VA home loans.
Awesome. Well, thanks for the 5 tips. And basically, to wrap it up, I just think the best things to know about VA loans is you can put zero money down, and the rates are better, and you can process, the qualifying terms are better. So you just qualified one of our purchasers with a 3.75 rate.
Yep, rates as of today in April 2019 are around 3.75%, which is very low. Which is attractive for buyers, lower monthly payment where you can actually qualify for more with that.
Great. Well, thanks so much for the info, Jordan, and thanks for tuning in, and I'll post some information below, and have a great day.